Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. This is a package from one of the moderators named, I'll just call him MH, from the Ramen Junkies group. Ramen Junkies is a group of like-minded instant noodle aficionados. We've got over 70,000, almost 71,000 people in the group. And just head on over, type in Ramen Junkies on Facebook, and you'll be able to find us, and we'll let you in, and you can show off your ramen. But very curious what's in here. Let's crack it open and look inside. Ah, perfect. So you might not know, but I eat a lot of spicy ramen. I do a mukbang series, and I release an annual top 10 spicy list. And one of the spicier varieties out there is Buldak. Samyang Buldak varieties are very popular, and it spurned on the whole initial spicy noodle challenge and all that. Well, they sent me a couple new varieties, and I'm really excited, so let's take a look. First off, a habanero lime Buldak spicy chicken flavor ramen. Yeah, I'll be doing this one up pretty soon. Sent 2 packs, thank you, because that makes it a lot easier. I prepare one, and then when I do the cooking video, I show off the uncooked one, and then I do the mukbang so I can hold up a pack so you can see it. So, thank you. And the second is this one called Quattro, and if you notice, it almost looks like Hochi, the Bulldog mascot, is like a witch with a cauldron. I don't know if this is supposed to be initially introduced around Halloween. I don't know. It's really interesting to me. So somebody was mentioning that this should be made and then you put like carnitas with it, and luckily we have carnitas around quite a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna give that a try. Well, thank you very much to MH for shooting this over. I really appreciate it, man. I am excited. Everybody in the group was like losing their minds when they saw that you had this stuff, and it was really kind of you to share. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, again, if you want to check out the Ramen Junkies group, head on over to Facebook and type that in, and you'll be able to find it pretty easy. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.